Welcome to FlyMSG AI, your all-in-one sales productivity and writing assistant. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to add and manage categories within FlyMSG.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here.
There are several ways you can add and manage your categories. The categories, to be clear, is what you would see under your FlyCuts. Those are these items here and subcategories as an example that you might create. So how can you add subcategories or categories to your FlyCuts easily? Well, there are several ways. First way, come over here to Settings in the sprocket. To get there, you just click on Settings right there. Then click Manage Categories right here on the center of the page. Inside of here, you can simply click Add a Category, type in your category name, and hit Save. If you want to create a subcategory like Recommendations under Human Resources, you would type in a category, Test, Nested, select that category, Human Resources, and it will show up as a subcategory and click Save. So if you want to add a mass quantity of categories, this will be the fastest way to do that is here under Manage Categories. Now let me show you how you can add an individual category while creating a FlyCut. So right here inside of FlyMSG, under View All, you can actually click Add a FlyCut. And right from inside of here, when you click Add a FlyCut, you actually can create a new category right from here. And in this particular area, when you create a new category, you can simply take your category and save it, or you can nest your category under a specific item and add it that way as well. Those are the two ways that you can add and manage categories.